Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna get something to drink. Okay, I'm gonna get something to drink too.
Put your seat belt on.
Okay.
Tyrion, now. Sit down.
I'll get something to drink.
Is the car moving?
Sorry. Guys, that was my mom. And a bunch of water right here. I was thirsty.
I just gave you a water.
You did?
A big water.
I'll
You
have it.
and Tristan.
I have one, but I'm not using it. I'm saving for football practice. So here we guys. So guys, drink the water over here. The other guys didn't want it. So I'm gonna get my water. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Guys, we're gonna see if I can drink this water in 1 second. Or just the whole entire thing, the whole entire ride. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'll be back.
Okay, guys. So it kind of gets spicy in your tongue right here. But if you see the house behind me, that's my house. Okay, good. I don't know. There's much the water left now. Guys, do not try that. Oh! Okay, I'm thirsty. And I tell you, drink water for about 2 or 1 minute. I don't know. Make you coughing if you try this, but I'm not doing it. Not try this. You can cough, you can still have a cough now. Guys, hold on. I'll be right back. See you guys in the next one. Bye.